have a lot of chores to do.
That's where you pick? That's where you pick?
I think I just fixed the fridge.
Guess what? What? I just fixed the fridge.
No way. Really?
Hold on. I want to make sure I'm not going to get electrocuted first. Good. No voltage. Good. We're getting 13 volts. But when I test the other side, we get nothing, which means that's the problem. I think it's a fuse because it blew. This is where all the power comes in. This big block comes from the batteries, and then it goes from here through this fuse, down this wire, which I disconnected, and then onto this power board. So I can avoid going through all of this if I just go from here straight to the battery connection.
And then it works.
And it works.
Huh.
I cut this from this wire and then moved the wire to in front of the fuse. So the fuse isn't even working anymore. Basically, I just routed around it. So it's just going straight to this. This is another fuse. So we're still protected in case it gets too hot. This was a recalled fuse in like 2012.
Huh.
And they started adding these to all the new models, but they didn't change the fridge at all.
What?
Yeah.
It's 152 degrees Celsius.
Yep. The heat blew it.
So that was when we were leaving Idlewild, going to Joshua Tree, going down the mountain.
Yeah.
So when we got home that day, I tried to open this window, and this window was like hotter than lava. So this whole side of the RV must have gotten fried.
If I flip this back on, we should get a loud beep.
It's working! We have food again. Today is adventure day. Car ride? Okay. You stab it. There is so much to explore in Arizona. So today we're gonna be sightseeing. We're gonna be going to Montezuma Castle, the Grand Canyon, and Meteor Crater. So let's get started with Montezuma Castle. Alright guys, the cool thing about Montezuma Castle is that it's about 1,000 years old. They believe construction started in the year 1050. 30 to 50 people lived in about 20 rooms, and the castle was actually abandoned in 1425. The natives decided to migrate somewhere else, and they don't really know why or where they went. And welcome to one of the most famous spots in the world. The Grand Canyon is actually bigger than the state of Rhode Island. It is the second most visited national park after Smoky Mountains National Park, and it has the cleanest air in the United States. This is the site of Meteor Crater, where a meteor hit Arizona 50,000 years ago, going 26,000 miles per hour. The meteor is not even here anymore. It hit so fast that the whole thing just vaporized the second it hit. So even though most of the meteor vaporized upon impact, this right here is a fragment of what hit. We were out in the middle of nowhere, and then all of a sudden, boom! So wild. Where are we going now?
So I forgot.
Where are we going now?
Cathedral Rock.
We're going to Cathedral Rock in Sedona. A few days ago we went into town, and we had never been to Sedona, either of us, and it was seriously one of the most beautiful places that I've ever seen. So I don't know how we've missed that, but seriously, wow. And now we're gonna go do a hike, which was actually recommended to me by my friend Tara. I didn't look it up, so I'm just taking her word for it. She says there's some amazing views, so I hope you're right, Tara.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's what we're about to do.
Look how crowded it is.
We need a car wash. Oh wow. So we're going like over there. This is seriously so beautiful, oh my god. Man, she was not kidding. This is so pretty. I'm kind of glad we didn't look it up first. Like, we didn't know anything about it. We just did it. It made it more of a surprise. Like, I was not expecting this at all. It's really cool.